Home Remedies presents What will happen to you if you start eating oats every day? Oatmeal has been a popular breakfast option for many people. It's incredibly filling and can make a great breakfast to keep you satisfied for hours without any need to snack. But did you know that it can also improve your health? This video explains the top benefits of oatmeal to help you make an informed decision about adding this tasty food to your regular meal plan. Highly nutritious. Oats have a well-balanced nutrient profile. You will find oats to be high in carbohydrates and fiber, including the powerful fiber beta-glucan. They are also higher in protein and fat than many other grains. Oats are high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant plant compounds. It means that oats are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. Promote weight loss. Did you know that eating oats promote weight loss? In one study, daily consumption of oatmeal increased satiety, suppressed appetite, and reduced energy intake more than a ready-to-eat breakfast cereal. This healthy whole grain is high in fiber, which fills you up faster. This helps prevent overeating and unnecessary snacking and lowers your daily calorie intake, causing you to lose weight. Reduces cholesterol. This hearty breakfast food boosts a special type of fiber known as beta-glucan, which increases the elimination of cholesterol-rich bile from the body. This can help reduce cholesterol levels by as much as 15%. Regulates blood sugar. The high fiber content in oatmeal shows digestion and allows for a slow and steady release of glucose into the blood. This helps maintain normal glucose levels and prevent glucose spikes associated with processed carbohydrates. It is rich in antioxidants. Oatmeal is rich in antioxidants including phytic acid, vitamin E, phenolic compounds, and avenanthramides, which fight inflammation, prevent itching, and improve blood flow. These antioxidants also work to neutralize free radicals in the body that may cause oxidative stress, causing cell damage that may lead to chronic diseases. Improves bowel movements. Fiber is a key component in a healthy digestive system. The fact that it moves through the gut undigested means it adds bulk to stools, which prevent constipation and aid regularity. Improve skin. Oatmeal-based skin products create a healthy skin microbiome that protects against harmful UV rays and harmful bacteria. Oatmeal is excellent for relieving redness and irritation. Applying a paste with ground oatmeal can relieve rashes or sunburn in minutes. Reduce blood pressure. Avenanthramides antioxidants in oatmeal have been shown to increase nitric oxide production, which dilates and relaxes blood vessels, causing a drop in blood pressure. Lowers the risk of colon cancer. Oats are known to fight colon cancer because they contain avenanthramides, a type of antioxidants that helps slow cell mutations. In one study, researchers examined what happened when 1 to 3 servings of oat products were consumed daily for 3 months. After 30 days, tumors had significantly decreased in size and number. Boosts the immune system. The beta-glucan in oatmeal stimulates the functioning of white blood cells, which helps fight infections in the body, thus boosting the immune system. Promotes better sleep. Oatmeal contains tryptophan, an amino acid that body uses to make melatonin, a sleep hormone that regulates your body's sleep-wake cycle. Final thoughts. Start every morning with a bowl of hearty oats, and you will feel energized to tackle whatever the day brings. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.